To use Affirm on Walmart online. Start by visiting the Walmart website and browsing for the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see the payment options available, including Affirm. Select Affirm as your payment method and click on it to proceed. You will be redirected to the Affirm website where you will be prompted to create an account or log into your existing account. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and check your creditworthiness. After creating your account, you will see the loan options available to you, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Review the terms carefully and select the option that best suits your needs. You can choose to repay the loan in 3, 6, or 12 months, depending on the purchase amount and the options available. Once you have selected your loan option, you will be asked to confirm your loan and agree to the terms. This will complete the checkout process and your order will be placed. You will receive an email from Walmart confirming your order and another email from Affirm with the details of your loan. To make payments, you can log into your Affirm account and click on the Payments tab. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Using Affirm on Walmart online is a convenient and flexible way to purchase the items you need without having to pay the full amount up front. By following these steps and making your payments on time, you can enjoy the benefits of Affirm and take advantage of the flexible repayment options available.